South Korea's Upbit, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, has delayed the listing of Solstice, SLX, for a second time. Originally set for 5:00 a.m. UTC, the listing was first pushed to 5:30 a.m. UTC, but was then moved again to 6:00 a.m. UTC. This marks an unusual pattern for Upbit, which typically maintains a strict schedule for new listings. The repeated delays have raised questions about the readiness of the token or potential technical or compliance hurdles. The exchange has not provided a specific reason for the hold, but traders are now watching closely for what comes next. SLX is a DeFi token focused on interoperability, and its listing on Upbit was expected to bring increased liquidity and price visibility. The uncertainty surrounding the delay could affect trader sentiment and market behavior. While Upbit has not canceled the listing, the repeated rescheduling may lead to a more subdued initial trading session than anticipated. Traders who positioned themselves ahead of the listing may now face a different market dynamic. The next signal to watch is whether the 6:00 a.m. UTC listing proceeds as planned and how the token performs in the first hour of trading. If the listing is successful, it could signal renewed confidence in. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The token's readiness and market demand. However, if further delays occur, it may indicate unresolved issues that could affect long-term adoption. The DeFi space is highly sensitive to listing events, and Upbit's decision to delay SLX twice suggests a cautious approach. Investors should monitor official Upbit statements and market reactions to gauge the token's trajectory. The impact of listing delays is not limited to SLX alone. Repeated postponements can erode trust in an exchange's reliability and may influence future listing decisions. The broader market may also be watching to see if this is an isolated incident or a sign of more systemic delays. As the 6:00 a.m. UTC time approaches, traders will be looking for any last-minute updates from Upbit. The token's performance will depend on factors like market sentiment, liquidity availability, and overall trading volume. SLX's listing is expected to bring a new wave of attention to the DeFi interoperability space, but the repeated delays may have already shifted expectations. Investors should be prepared for a range of outcomes, from a smooth launch to further uncertainty. The next key moment will be the actual trading session at 6:00 a.m. UTC. If the listing goes ahead, the first hour of trading will be crucial in setting the tone for the token's future. If it is delayed again, the market may react with increased skepticism. The DeFi sector is known for its volatility, and any disruption in listing timelines can ripple through the broader market. Upbit's decision to delay SLX twice may also prompt other exchanges to review their own listing procedures. The repeated rescheduling could signal a broader trend of more cautious listing practices, especially in the face of regulatory scrutiny or market instability. As the token finally moves toward listing, traders should be prepared for a potentially mixed reception. The market will be watching closely for signs of strong liquidity and stable. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Trading conditions. The next signal to watch is the actual trading session and how the token performs in the first hour. If the market reacts positively, it could indicate strong demand and investor confidence. If trading is slow or volatile, it may suggest lingering concerns about the token's readiness or market conditions. The DeFi space remains highly dynamic, and every listing event carries significant weight. SLX's journey to listing on Upbit has been marked by delays, but the exchange has not signaled any cancellation. The next step is to see whether the listing proceeds at 6:00 a.m. UTC and what the market makes of it.